It is amazing the things that are possible on this little piece of wood.
Skateboarding is just a sense of release. I really enjoy just the sense of just the rush it gives me. We're taking off, we're doing what we want, we're breaking the rules.
When I skate, my negativity disappears. All I see is myself, the board, and what I can do with that damn thing.
There's a lot of focus that goes into skateboarding. You don't just stand on the board and magically do a trick. There are a lot of elements at play. Your foot placement, the speed, your balance, how you lift your shoulders in the process of popping, everything, absolutely. So your mind has to be really aware of all the things you're doing. So that is a form of meditation. It helps me, I guess, learn focus.
There's just one thing I want to leave you with. It is get back up. No matter how hard it may seem in that particular moment, we need to get back up because the success could be right after the fall. Every day, the things I look at in the world, I look at them through the lens of a skateboarder's perspective.
In one way or another, life will introduce a lot of things to you. And skateboarding could be something that could introduce a whole new side of life that you've never even thought about before.
The skateboard has really been my escapism from all the chaos that is around me.
If you really have a passion for it, you will keep going. Naturally, that might be your course.